our constitution, which was written in 1937, and reflects the Catholic ethos of 1937, which seems to believe that the creator of the universe needed Amen Devalera and the Catholic Church in order to vindicate its rights, starts off with a clause saying that all power comes from the Holy Trinity. It contains a clause saying that the state acknowledges that the homage of public worship is due to Almighty God, which is a clause enshrining the right of the God into the Constitution, as opposed to the right of the people to worship that God. There are clauses that require the President of Ireland and judges in Ireland and members of the Council of State in Ireland to swear a religious oath before taking office, asking God to direct and sustain them. That means that, in real terms, a conscientious atheist cannot become President of Ireland, cannot serve as a judge in Ireland, or cannot serve as a member of the Council of State in Ireland. There are a range of clauses in the Constitution that reflect Catholic teaching. The most recent, in terms of the supposedly pro-life referendum, enshrines Catholic teaching about the rights of the unborn, which is phrased bizarrely as an adjective with no noun attached to it, because they couldn't even figure out what it was that they were supposed to be trying to say in that. And more recently, because of a clause in the original Constitution which said that blasphemy is an offence which shall be punishable in accordance with law, Dermot Ahern, the previous Minister for Justice, felt that he had to put forward a new law against blasphemy, the only country in the civilised world to pass a new law against blasphemy in the 21st century, a couple of years ago. And that law is being cited at the United Nations by the Islamic states, led by Pakistan, as what they want implemented. Literally part of the wording of the Irish law has been incorporated into the Islamic states' motions at the United Nations trying to make blasphemy and defamation of religion a crime internationally. So it's not just here that has an effect, it has effect internationally as well.